probably going to have to hit the button 3 times and let it turn around to you and turn back to me. Oh, there you go. All right, cool. All right. Hey, so it's Dave Lockwood with Repurposing Demolition, and I'm out on my morning bike ride. And this is Santini Plaza, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on a ride around Santini Plaza, just so you can see what's going on the business part of the south end of the island. So season has started early for us here. There are a lot of people here, so the traffic is showing it everywhere. And anyway, I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to go for a bike ride here and show you what's going on Santini Plaza. So a couple things, you know, Walker's there, they had to move all them boats twice, one for Helene and again for Milton. So that had to cost a fortune. They got them all back over here now, and they're up and operational, and they're working out of those Quonset kind of hut things since Hurricane Ian. This is, that's going to be a coffee shop. There's going to be a pizza place here. There already is, the Islander is here. These guys are modifying this unit here. Gosh, I don't remember what they're doing here. I heard through Beach Talk that the hardware store that's over there on San Carlos Island, they're going to put a satellite over here. They're working on this one here, and you can see their equipment sitting out there. The Islander's open. That's the lady that used to own, I think it was called Colors. This Annette's Beach Book Nook is open as well. Over here, I'm not sure where they're putting the hardware store. South Beach is still going to be here. They're going to be at the other end. These guys right here, Surf Style, took their location and they're putting in a liquor store. This is Surf Style. If you see inside, you can tell that they have they got a lot of the displays. The store displays are in there, and the lights are on, and a lot of the stuff is out on the shelves, so that's good stuff. So 7-Eleven's open, CVS is open. There's the fire department, and I'm running around here to the other side. I'm pretty sure the storage unit, this upper part of the storage units are open. I don't know about the other part. I know they got a very little bit of water here in Milton. And then this is the stuff that you guys are probably going to want to know about, so I'm going to show this to you. So coming back here in the back, all these businesses they're gone. The Fishtail restaurant, I'm going to go over and take a look. I don't think that they're working on it yet. So yeah, they're still not working on the Fishtail restaurant, which is a bummer for me because I love it here. I love this location. It overlooks the marina. And I'll just give you a real quick look inside. So all I'm doing is just giving you kind of an update on what's going on with Santini Plaza. So this is what it looks like in here, and it's truly sad. So taking you back to the marina real quick. I'm not so sure they want me in here, but I just want to show you what's going on. So they got their docks back up and running pretty good. There's not a lot of boats here right now. The boat storage units, I'm going to show them to you in just a minute. They're not, they've been damaged and they're not put back together yet. This has been a big undertaking for this guy. I don't know who he is. I'd like to meet him, but he is, he got slammed. I mean, he didn't own this thing for a year, and then he's had it now for 2 years and 2 months. And I hadn't been able to do hardly anything with it but spend money. So my heart goes out to you, buddy, as a fellow business owner. So all of these businesses here, they have not come back. These buildings are beat up still pretty good. Back up in here, that's the Islander. From the backside, that's the Book Nook. This is what it looks like if you're curious what's going on. Over here is they got their displays. this stuff here, they're I don't know what they're doing, if they're going to rebuild these things or if they're going to tear them down. I'm not sure. I know we gave them a bid on something. I don't know what it was. Here is they got that sectioned off while they work on it. It looks like they're going to use the court, the little courtyard area, as part of their restaurant. And this is what these buildings look like. You know, Walker's is still rocking and rolling. You can get your boat worked on there. And over here, during the hurricane, they put all their equipment up on that ramp, which is a good idea. And then let me show you what's going on back here. So they're working on something there with an excavator. And this is the other side of that marina. It goes up around into where these condos are. Those condos are on Bay Beach. I wonder if somebody dumped that junk boat on these guys or not. So they got a turbidity fence over there. Looks like they're putting in a new seawall on the whole side over there. That's going to be nice. I've seen this boat 1,000 times in my lifetime, maybe more than that. They haven't been running it, so but I used to see it all the time out there, going around looking at the dolphins. So this is what this looks like here. They're not open yet inside the ship store. And back over here, this is what the marina looks like. So there you go. It looks like you can get fuel here already, or you know what? I don't want to say that. Those are their fuel docks. No, I don't think there's no fuel tank stuff out there. So they're just cleaning up, getting ready. So the Fishtail Marina, fish and tackle stuff is not open yet. And this is another view of the storage buildings, and they're using them as is right now. There's a shortage of all this stuff. There is just nothing. There's just not enough of it. I tried to put my boat somewhere while they finished up my dock, and I couldn't find a place. So that's a barge that they use to put in. Well, I guess they could use it for just about anything, but typically these kind of barges, they're using them to put in the docks and the pilings and stuff. So this is the mess that they have here, and that's pretty much it. So this is Dave Lockwood with Remove It Pros, and I am going to turn this around one more time until we get out to the street and just showing you what's going on at Santini Plaza. So we do have some businesses open at the south end finally. They're doing the farmers market out here on gosh, I can't think of what day. I think it might be Thursdays. I'll figure that out by the time I do another video like this. So a lot of life down here. Hasn't been much life down here at all. It's kind of like the Walking Dead after everybody goes home at 5 o'clock. What I'm talking about, there's just nobody around. Now there is, but it wasn't. So the Estero Beach and Tennis Club right there, they're occupied. That pink one's not occupied yet. They were almost ready to occupy it, and they got hit by Milton, and Milton kind of undermined their first floor, set them back a few more months, which is sad. I feel sorry for these people. You know, they're paying on this stuff and they don't get to use it. So these are all boats that are up for sale and being stored, and some of them are sitting here. They need to be worked on and repaired. So that's it. It's Remove It Pros Demolition. If you have any demolition work you want done, 239-333-7678, and I'll see you on the next video.